In today's episode, I show you what it's like to sail between 3 incredible islands off the coast of Siargao in the Philippines. I started my day at the departure terminal in General Luna. This was about a 10-minute drive from my hotel and the main tourist spot on the island. The pier was full of ferries taking tourists to different parts of the island. We walked down this rickety plank to get on our boat and set sail for our first island. After sailing for about 30 minutes, we had our first sight of Guyam Island. But before going ashore, our boat pulled over and let us go for our first swim in the beautiful Philippine Ocean. Soon enough, our boat made its way to land on Guyam Island.
We stepped off the boat and now we are at the first island of our 3-island tour, Guyam. This is a very small island. There's really not much to do here, but there are like these little huts, as you can see, all around the island to kind of relax. Honestly, it's so sunny. You kind of need the shade, otherwise you melt. If you think of tropical island, this is the image that comes into your head. Palm trees, hammocks, swings. That said, let's take the drone up for a sky view. You know, it's very nice, it's very relaxing. It is very warm though. Make sure you bring sunblock, make sure you bring water. There isn't a whole lot of infrastructure in the island. There's a little shack that sells snacks and cold drinks, which I think I'm gonna get. This is a great spot for Instagram photos for you Instagrammers out there. If you want a burger or a coffee, this place has both. Plus other refreshing drinks and snacks, which you are going to need because it is so hot. Eat, serve, coffee, repeat. That's it for Guyam. I will see you at the next island.
We hopped back on our boat and set sail towards the largest island of the day, and the perfect spot for an island barbecue.
We just parked at Daku Island, heading to a lunch spot right now. This is lunch for today. Welcome AS4 Resort.
The locals brought out 2 giant tables of barbecue soon after we sat down. We had a pretty abundant supply of fish, chicken, pork, and lots more to eat for lunch. Everything was delicious, and I have to say, the iced coffee really hit the spot on a hot, sunny day. We even had a surprise lunch guest who had the most adorable food coma. And with that, it was time to explore Daku and get a bird's eye view of the island.
That's it for Daku. Had an amazing lunch with everyone on our boat. Now we're heading to our 3rd island of the day, Naked Island.
Well, not quite. Our boat took a small detour to a snorkeling spot before heading to our 3rd island. This was a much needed opportunity to dive in the ocean, cool down from the hot sun, and see some beautiful fish. Soon enough, we set sail for Naked Island.
This is Naked Island.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
We finally made it to the 3rd island of the day, and definitely the smallest. This is Naked Island in the Philippines. This island has the softest sand that I have ever felt in my life. Crystal clear blue water, and it's a tiny island. It's a beautiful place, not too many people, very remote, very small. As you can see, when I show you people around me, this is not a nude beach. It's called Naked Island because it is naked of coconut trees, not a single coconut tree on this tiny island, which is definitely an anomaly in Siargao because all of the islands here are absolutely covered in coconut trees. The water, as I'm walking through it, is, I wouldn't even say warm, it's like hot water here, which I love. There is not a whole lot to do though, so everyone's kind of chilling on the boat, taking pictures, going for a swim. It's a very relaxing place, actually.
I had just explored 3 islands in the Philippine Sea. Humbled by their breathtaking beauty. Having finally recovered from my initial jet lag, I was ready to spend the night experiencing Siargao nightlife for the first time.
This is the place to be if you like to surf. There's surfboards like this all over the island. I'm walking around what I think is like the hip, cool part of General Luna. A lot more traffic than where my hotel is located.
No place